Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation where we will explore the transformative capabilities of Vortek Spaces, a revolutionary software that will elevate your woodworking business to new heights. Before we delve into the exciting world of Vortek Spaces and virtual reality, let's take a moment to touch upon the powerful foundation provided by Cabinet Vision. Cabinet Vision stands as the unrivaled leader in design for manufacturing software for woodworkers. This remarkable software has been revolutionizing the woodworking industry since its inception in the early 1980s. Now, let's move on to Vortek Spaces, an innovative tool that seamlessly integrates with Cabinet Vision and takes your design process to a whole new level. Vortek Spaces offers a transformative solution for bringing your woodworking designs to life in stunning 3D virtual reality. The integration of Vortek Spaces with Cabinet Vision is seamless and powerful. You can easily transfer your designs from Cabinet Vision to Vortek Spaces, leveraging its design for manufacturing capabilities for precise execution and production. This synergy between the two software solutions streamlines your workflow and ensures a smooth transition from the virtual world to the manufacturing process. Now, let's focus on the exciting VR capabilities offered by Vortek Spaces. By immersing yourself and your clients in a virtual reality experience, you can explore every detail of your woodworking projects. With Vortek Spaces VR functionality, you can visualize different materials, finishes, and lighting effects, allowing you to make design decisions with confidence. The ability to identify and address any potential issues early on in the virtual environment saves time and resources during the construction phase, leading to greater efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thank you for your time and attention during this presentation on Vortek Spaces and the transformative power of virtual reality. We hope that you found the information valuable and gained a better understanding of how these tools can revolutionize your woodworking business. Contact Smart Connected Solutions Southeast Asia Consultants to discover how we can help you achieve greater success in the woodworking industry. Once again, thank you, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you.